Lollipop, lollipop. Oh, la 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 la. Lollipop. Boo, 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 boo.
Look, what are you doing?
Jungle pet, jungle pet. Oh, la 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 la.
Are you guys helping Daddy empty the dishwasher? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, where did this go? Driving your sister insane.
You don't have a sister.
Building a roller coaster, making dodo birds, fighting,
Go empty the dishwasher, please.
driving your dad insane. Driving your sister insane. Driving your dad insane. Dang! Maria, Dan and Luke are making a title sequence. Down. That's funny, Dad. Whoa, the biggest boom ever! Huh? No, the biggest boot ever goes like this. Fighting a dodo bird, creating wild signs, and loading it in Frankenstein's brain. Phineas! Dean! Just like Dean and Luke are gonna do it all! Maria! Dan and Luke are doing the title sequence! Okay, Dad. When we start reading something on... Okay, Dad, the next morning, Dad, when we're writing on the floor, Dad, with a piece of paper, scream, Maria! Dean and Luke are making a title sequence!
You got that from Phineas and Ferb, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, but Dad, guess what?
What do we got, Luke?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Dad! You're making a title sequence! Give me that! Come on. Okay, Luke, I think I know what we're gonna do today. But when I think about the dishwasher, I think about nothing.
Are you helping Luke? But that's
Papa,
what?
can we build a roller coaster?
Yeah, do it on the roof.
Yes, Luke, I know what we're gonna do today. But when it comes to work, I kind of get bored. There he goes. Ow. We're likely fighting over.
That goes on the oven.
Ow. This looks like a candle holder.
On the oven, Luke.
Ow, this is heavy.
It's on the oven.
Hey, 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 Baljeet. 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 Heaviest thing ever. Pretty much. Heaviest thing ever. Bug. Luke, it's wet.
It's alright, just put it over there.
Anyway. Do you look crazy? You look just like fur when you have this on your head.
Okay, say hi to the
Did
camera.
it look like Frankenstein?
Guys, say hi to the camera.
Kind of. Hello. Hello! We are the Horton brothers. And we love building things, right, Luke? Oh, yeah. But we don't know what to do today.
Daddy will tell you what to do.
Build a roller coaster. Dad, can you build a roller coaster for us?
Yeah, I'll get right on it.
No, we have to build our own roller coaster.
Yeah.
Okay? You tell us what to do, Look at a roller coaster.
I'll do that right in between the appetizer and the entree.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Cheese?
You want to eat it? Share it with your brother.
Papa, can I have one of the cheeses too?
Yeah.